Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Temu without phone number. So let's get into the video. So firstly what you have to do is just download the Temu app from Play Store. So get to your Play Store and then search for Temu and then install the app. So mine, I have already installed mine. So if you know, so you just have to install your app. So once you have installed, open up your app. Then what you're going to do here is click on the U tab here on your bottom. So click on the U tab and then you have an option called sign in or register. So click on it. Like if you are going to just browse, then you don't really need an account. You can create an account or register it later. You can do your browsing here. But if you want to like make an order and then track it, then it's better to sign in or register. So hit on this sign in or register. And then what you can do when you want to register, if you don't have a phone number or if you don't want to use a phone number, then you can simply sign in with your email address. So you can type in any email address of yours and then hit on continue. Or apart from that, you also have the option to sign in with your Google account or with your Facebook or your Twitter account. So you can use any of these method here, and none of these needs actually a phone number. So if, for example, if you are logging with your Google account, so what you can do, you can simply hit on Google account. Or if you're signing in with your email address, so you can just type in your email address here and then hit on continue. So and then you might need to create a password and then that's it. Or else what I can do, like this is easier for me, I'm going to just continue with my Google account. So I'll just hit on Google, continue with Google, and then I'm just going to log in with my Google account. So I don't really need to provide any phone number or anything, and that's it. So it here when you ask you add a phone number, so this is not compulsory. You don't really have to enter a phone number. You can just select not now and then just leave it, and then you can continue use the app without the phone number.